Hi, welcome to this class. In this class, you will learn how to make the Desaturate command instantly turns a colored image into black and white. This feature creates a gray image that can look intense and powerful. We can use the technique of emphasis in our advertisements or photos by age, highlighting specific areas with colors. This is an example of the law of emphasis, which directs the viewer's attention to a particular element in the image. This is an example of a billboard. It looks eye-catching and highlights our product. Let's watch some images demonstrating the Desaturate command. The outdoor poster has a Desaturate effect applied to it, which highlights the shoes. She is a bride holding a wedding bouquet with a beautiful smile. Let's go! Press for duplicate layer, Ctrl+J Windows or Command+J Mac. Press Shift+Ctrl+U for Windows or Shift+Command+U for Mac. This will automatically desaturate your image, essentially turning it into a black and white image. Press Ctrl+L in Windows or Command+L in Mac for Open Levels window. Shadows are the darkest parts of the image, so we can adjust the shadows slider. It's an Add Layer Mask icon. To add a layer mask, simply drag the layer onto the Add Layer Mask icon. It shows the layer mask thumbnail. Layer masking is a non-destructive way to hide parts of an image or layer without erasing them. Select the brush tool from the toolbar. Set the brush diameter, 70 px, or according to your image area, hardness, 0%, opacity, 100%. I am using slightly different values to detect a soft impact. For zoom in, Ctrl+ for Windows or Command+ for Mac. For zoom out, Ctrl- for Windows or Command- for Mac. Rub the brush over the flower. For brush size smaller, tap the left square bracket key. For brush size larger, tap the right square bracket key. Press Ctrl plus Shift plus Alt plus E for Windows or Command plus Shift plus Option plus E for Mac is a useful command that quickly merges all image layers into one. Remember, its skills never end. Thank you.